In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your voice in ElevenLabs, step by step. Before we dive in, let me quickly mention that if you're planning to sign up for ElevenLabs, make sure to use our affiliate link. It's a great way to support our channel while accessing all the exciting features ElevenLabs has to offer. Let's begin by logging into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the ElevenLabs dashboard. This is your main hub, providing access to all the tools and features you'll need to get started. It's straightforward and intuitive, so you should feel right at home. Now, take a look at the left panel. You'll see a section labeled Voices. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll find a list of all your saved voices. It's organized and clear, making it easy to manage and choose from your existing voices. At the top right of the screen, there's an option that says Create or Clone a Voice. Click on it, and you'll be presented with two methods to clone your voice: the Instant Voice Clone method and the Professional Voice Clone method. Each has its own advantages, so choose whichever suits your needs best. The Instant Voice Clone is faster and simpler, ideal for most casual uses, while the Professional Voice Clone offers a more detailed and precise replication, perfect for high-quality voice work. Next, you'll need to provide some audio. You have two choices here as well. You can either record your audio directly on the site or upload pre-recorded audio that you've prepared in advance. Make sure your audio is clear and at a high quality to ensure the best results during the cloning process. Once you've uploaded or recorded your audio, continue with the setup process. Follow the prompts to complete the cloning of your voice. The system is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through each step with ease. Once your voice has been successfully cloned, it will appear in the My Voices tab. This is an exciting moment because you'll see your voice alongside others, ready to be used. To start using your newly cloned voice, simply click on the Use Voice button next to it. This activates the voice and integrates it into your projects, allowing you to take full advantage of everything ElevenLabs has to offer. And just like that, you're all set. Remember, exploring new technologies like this can be as thrilling as it is educational. So, take some time to experiment, have fun, and get creative with your new voice capabilities in ElevenLabs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.